Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So before we'll start, just two things which are necessary for being able to update the apps. First of all, the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi to avoid some additional charges. And the second thing is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you want to do it on your own, you can do it directly after entering the Play Store. Just add it, just log in, and then you can follow my steps. If not, we've got a tutorial where you can check how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the Play Store, and now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is basically our own account. So let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on Manage Apps on Device and tap on Manage. Right here we've got this option Updates Available, and right here we've got all updates pending, so those apps which can be updated, and all you have to do is to basically mark the apps which you'd like to update, and that's all. I will choose Google Chrome, maybe Maps, and simply Google. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps. It's totally up to you. And then after marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.